With its elegant yet sporty interior, the Optima offers driver-oriented design that surrounds you with upscale convenience and high-tech functionality. You can even set a variety of automatic features through the instrument cluster, like auto door lock, welcome light, one-touch triple turn signal, and more. In this video, we will show you the two types of instrument clusters, how to navigate through the features and select them using the trip and reset buttons, how to turn each feature on, off, or to a particular setting, and other important features accessible through the instrument cluster displays. There are two types of instrument clusters. The analog cluster with a dot matrix LCD display screen, standard on LX and EX models, and the Supervision cluster, standard on SX models with its visually stunning color TFT LCD display screen. Both instrument clusters display many of the same feature settings and operate the same way. Let's take a look at the Supervision cluster. First, you'll need to bring up User Setting on the cluster. Make sure the vehicle is at standstill and that the engine start-stop button is in the on position or the engine is running. Then press the trip button on the steering wheel for more than 2 seconds. User Setting will be displayed on the cluster. Now you can scroll through the different modes by pressing the trip button. The mode selections scroll in a downward order, then return to the top. When Vehicle Option appears, select it by pressing the Reset button on the steering wheel. You are now in the Vehicle Options menu where you can select, activate, or deactivate a variety of features. To scroll through the features in the Vehicle Options menu, simply press the trip button. Again, the features will scroll in a descending order and return to the top. To select a feature, press the Reset button. Now let's take a look at each feature. You can set your Optima to automatically lock the doors by selecting the Auto Door Lock. On this screen, you either choose to have the doors automatically lock when the vehicle reaches approximately 10 miles per hour, or have the doors lock when the shift lever is moved from park into certain gears. You can also turn the Auto Door Lock function off. Simply use the trip button to scroll to your selection. For instance, shift lever. Then press the Reset button to select. Now all the doors will automatically unlock when the shift lever is moved from park into reverse, neutral, or drive. If you want to deactivate Auto Door Lock, scroll to off and press Reset to select. The doors will now lock normally. When you've made your selection, you can use the trip button to scroll to back and return to the previous screen. This is the same for all features. You can also set your Optima to automatically unlock the doors. Use the trip button to select Auto Door Unlock. Here you can choose to have the vehicle doors unlock when the smart key is removed from the smart key holder, or whenever the shift lever is put into park. Use the trip button to highlight your preference and press Reset to select it. You can also choose to turn the Auto Door Unlock feature off from this screen. The doors will now unlock normally. There's also the convenient twice unlock feature, which allows you to open the driver's side door and all other vehicle doors. To activate this feature, highlight on using the trip button and press Reset. Now you can unlock the driver's door with a single press of the unlock button, as well as unlock all the vehicle doors if you press the unlock button again within 4 seconds. If you want to deactivate this feature, scroll to off and press Reset. Remember, after you've made your selection, you can always return to the Vehicle Options menu by highlighting and selecting Back. For added comfort and convenience, Optima EX and SX premium packages come equipped with driver's seat memory and an easy access function. You can activate the easy access function through the instrument cluster, so you can enter or exit your Optima comfortably. When you select On, the driver's seat will automatically move forward to your preset position when the engine start-stop button is turned to the ACC or on position, or the smart key is inserted into the smart key holder. The driver's seat will automatically move rearward when the engine start-stop button is turned to the off position, or when the smart key is removed from the smart key holder located in the glove compartment. You can deactivate the Easy Access function by using the trip button to highlight off and press Reset. Also, never try to operate the driver's seat memory or Easy Access system while the vehicle is in motion. How about being welcomed by your Optima each time you're preparing to drive it? If equipped, there's a welcome light that comes on for about 15 seconds whenever the door unlock button is pressed on the transmitter, or when the vehicle is approached with the smart key in possession. And there's also a welcome sound. You can set both of these features of the welcome system through the instrument cluster as well. Select Welcome Light with the trip button and scroll to On. Then press Reset and select Welcome Sound and select. Or if you'd rather deactivate one or both, simply select Off. Check this out. With one touch of the signal lever, you can blink Optima's turn signals 3 times with the Auto Triple Turn feature. You can activate or deactivate this one-touch triple turn signal through the instrument cluster. Simply select On or Off with the trip button and select by pressing Reset. When you want to make sure you've locked or unlocked your car with the smart key, you can select the horn feedback feature. When this feature is on, the hazard warning light will blink, and the horn will sound whenever the doors are locked or unlocked using the smart key. If you turn horn feedback off, the hazard warning lights will blink, but the horn will not sound when locking or unlocking the doors with the smart key. Finally, you can choose to keep track of your fuel economy between fill-ups at the gas pump with the Auto Reset feature, which resets the average fuel economy automatically when you drive after refueling. This is an easy way to measure whether you're driving in a fuel-efficient manner or not. Or you can select Manual Reset, and the average fuel economy will not reset automatically when you drive after refueling. Remember, the trip button is used to scroll through the menus and features, and to select, simply press the Reset button. And you can always use the trip button to scroll back and return to the previous screen at any time, including going back to the user settings screen, where you can also select maintenance. Here you can choose to view the maintenance schedule for either engine oil or tire rotation. When you're finished, press and hold the trip button for more than 2 seconds to exit the maintenance mode. Whether your Optima is equipped with the analog or supervision cluster, you'll discover a world of advanced upscale features that you can easily control right from your fingertips. To help you get better acquainted with these and other features, always check your owner's manual for complete operating information and safety warnings.